Hey YouTube, what's up? Indoor Tech here with another Kodi add-on video. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Consider subscribing. Here we go. Let's get started. First, we're going to go to Settings, System, Add-ons. Turn on unknown sources. Hit yes. And we go back to our home screen. Click add-ons. The open file box. Sorry. Let's go back. Back to settings. File manager, add source, double click it, click none. Here's going to be our URL link for the repo add-on. https://octopus.esy.octopus/. Hit OK. It's called Octopus. You can leave that name or name it whatever else you want. Click OK. Now we can go back to our home screen. Click add-ons. Hit the open file box. Install from zip file. Look for Octopus. Repository.octopus 0.1.51.zip. The version might change depending on when you see the video. Click the wait for it to say installed. Now install from repository. Left click. Octopus repository. Video add-ons. Alvin. Click install. Click OK. Give it a few moments to install. It doesn't take too long. There we go. Now click back to your home screen. There we go. Alvin. Seems to be a pretty good repo so far. A lot of good working links. You got your movies, TV shows, documentaries. There we go, guys. Please consider subscribing. If you have a video you'd like me to do, please post in the comments. Thank you very much. Have a great day.